And good luck to your final question. Let us place the screen, please. Your question is, okay. If death is inevitable, what do you believe will happen to the souls of members of the LGBTQ plus community who have perished? Demystify your thoughts. Again, if death is inevitable, what do you believe will happen to the souls of members of the LGBTQ plus community who have perished? Demystify your thoughts. Good luck.
Thank you for that very interesting question. As what the Bible said, God created man and a woman. As the world evolves, there are some changes. Us as LGBTQIA plus community is still human too. The Bible did not specify any gender. I am a firm believer of the Bible and the heaven and earth. So I think where the soul of the LGBTQIA plus go, especially heaven. Because God has died for our sins. He gave His life for us. That's why we are here right now celebrating His blessing. I am standing here in front of you encouraging everyone to be kind with one another. Because God has nothing that has us from us. But spread kindness and be the change you want to see in this world.
Thank you so much. Queen number 5. There you have final words and our amazing top 10 finalists. And their background that was on our candidates stood still and faced the challenge with no sweat at all. Good job, Queens. Heavens indeed bestowed our top 10 finalists amazing gifts. The gift of the Queen team